There are 350,000 people registered blind or partially sighted in the UK. But it's estimated that nearly 1 in 30 people have a sight problem which seriously impacts their daily life. The AGD Radix tactile indicators were introduced to assist the visually impaired to cross the road safely at pedestrian crossings. They allow a blind or sight-impaired person to hold a cone at the bottom of the signal. When it's safe to cross, the cone starts rotating as the green figure appears. The tactile only rotates for the duration of the green figure, which is only between 6 and 12 seconds, depending on the crossing width. Compact in design, this low-power tactile indicator can be used in all pedestrian near-side signals or weight indicators. Manufactured in a carbon-positive facility in Cheltenham, AGD produce and test over 15,000 tactiles a year. Materials are kitted in batches ready for assembly by multi-skilled operatives. In the future, the introduction of cobots on assembly lines will deliver further manufacturing efficiencies. Tactiles can be pre-fitted at the factory into the AGD range of near-side signals to add value for clients, saving time during on-street installation. They're highly reliable and robust in an on-street environment, delivered with a long-life brushless motor equipped with an intelligent restart. Each tactile is comprehensively tested on dedicated bespoke equipment. Each tactile undergoes 18 independent tests, which generate hundreds of data points for every product. The procedure is very tight not only to ensure compliance to specifications, but also to guarantee the sensation of response for each individual tactile is exactly the same. This ensures reliable and safe assistance for a visually impaired pedestrian as to when to cross the road each and every time. Every tactile is uniquely serialized, and the complete set of test data for each one is stored in a database. Consulting with experts from local authorities and charities, AGD have learnt more about how these cones are a lifeline to vulnerable road users. The traditional cone, now known as Cone A, wasn't necessarily suitable for everyone. As a result of our extensive research and development, we can also offer an alternative tactile cone known as Cone B, which has a different spline shape and feel, making more of an impression on the fingertips when it rotates. This is suitable for people with diabetes who suffer from both loss of sight and of sensation in their fingers. The Radix tactile has been the leading design for over 30 years, with more than 250,000 installed at pedestrian crossings all over the UK. It has become the product of choice, enabling installers to conform to best practice for inclusive mobility when developing transport infrastructure. For more information about the tactile and other AGD products, please visit agd-systems.com.